Your console doors receive a lot of use over the years. They can use their paint over time and begin to rust. Adding a fresh console door is a nice touch and sure to make a solid improvement in restoring your interior. I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 and 67 Chevelle and El Camino console doors. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Our console doors are manufactured from die-cast metal, just like the original. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure exact fitment to the original with the correct contours and curves. This includes the proper Madrid grain finish for authenticity. Included with your console door is the hole to install your console lock. You can fit your original or Resto Parts reproduction lock with these. To match the original and prevent rust and corrosion, we finish all of our consoles with a black powder coat that is set to last for many years of service on the road. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.